Good morning, good afternoon, and possibly good evening. And thank you to the organizers for giving SER this opportunity to present today. I'm Andrew Whitley from the Wild Trust, but today I'm representing the Society for Ecological Restoration. The Society for Ecological Restoration is a network of restoration practitioners, scientists, and researchers from over 85 countries with a membership of over 4,000. The aim is to advance the science, practice, and policy of ecological restoration, to sustain biodiversity, improve resilience in a changing climate, and re-establish an ecologically healthy relationship between nature and culture. SER has a number of programs and initiatives which contribute to this mission. We have networking and knowledge building and knowledge sharing platforms. We contribute to international and regional policy, produce a number of publications, and maintain a restoration resource center on our website, and have a certification program to maintain best practice amongst restoration practitioners. Please visit the website for some more information. One of the most important initiatives are the international principles and standards for the practice of ecological restoration, which have been developed by SER and its international partners. These standards were developed for everyone involved in restoration to improve ecological restoration practices across all sectors and in all ecosystems, terrestrial and aquatic. The standards
Good day, everyone. My name is Lindo Bushe Lamin, and I'm here to share
monitoring and auditing guidelines and promote best practice. Now that the world has entered the decade on ecosystem restoration, these standards provide a blueprint for ensuring ecological restoration achieves its full potential.
So soils are actually where we should be this biome in such a carbon storage,
ecological and economic benefits and outcomes. To further support the effective implementation of the UN Decade, SER co-hosted the third Global Forum on Ecological Restoration earlier this year. The forum provided a strong ecological and community foundation for the delivery of activities, funding, and assessments associated with the decade. Through a definition of
good morning, good afternoon, everybody, and thank you to the organizers for inviting the UN Environment Programme and the UN Food and Agriculture Organization to present the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration and our 10 principles.
The outcomes of this forum also contributed to the principles that Tim presented earlier. We have recently
Good morning,
launched an
colleagues.
African chapter of
Given the
SER
international drive to use reforestation as a restoration tool, I'm going to be reflecting on the long, rich history of research in South Africa on the impacts of trees on hydrology.
Thank you for this opportunity to present.